Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both the game and the controller. Make sure Hollow Knight and your launcher are up to date. This avoids input bugs. Put your controller into Bluetooth pairing, then open your PC, Switch, or Steam Deck Bluetooth panel and connect it. You must see a confirmed pairing. Once paired, do not launch the game yet. Keep the device active. This order prevents the game from ignoring a hot-plugged controller and guarantees the system registers the input correctly. With your controller paired, configure Steam input or your platform's controller support. Open Steam's controller settings and enable the profile that matches your hardware, because Steam remaps and translates Bluetooth signals into consistent game inputs. Next, create or load a custom input configuration for Hollow Knight, map movement, nail attack, spell, dash, and menu buttons. Test mappings in the menu and adjust dead zones and sensitivity. This ensures the game. Now launch Hollow Knight and verify the controller is active. Navigate menus, open the map, and perform core actions. Calibrate analog stick dead zones if you notice drift, and test precise moves like dash jump combos to confirm timing. Save your input profile so it persists across sessions. If something fails, for example lag or dropped inputs, restart the game, toggle Steam input or platform controller support, and repair the device. This usually clears handshake problems and restores consistent Bluetooth performance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.